My name is Vaishnavi. I'm from Bangalore Medical College and I've got a rank of 420 in the recent NEET exam. I had joined Bhatia for a foundation batch since my third year, but I became very serious about the preparation only after my internship, that is in February 2020, when I took the T&D test and discussion batch of Bhatia and eGurukul app. So I would prepare typically from the notes which I had made during the foundation batch and add from the videos from the eGurukul app as well as the T&D for topics which I wasn't very sure of. I managed to revise maybe 2 or 3 times. So from Feb 2020 to September, I did my first reading from all the notes and Q banks of eGurukul and then did the revisions till the NEET exam. Before the NEET 2021, I have taken NEET 2020 and all the INI-CET exams. Last year NEET, my rank was 17,000 and in INI-CET, the first time it was around 1,000. And then this recent NEET, I got a rank of 420. I thought among the faculties in Bhatia, I felt obviously Tamim sir was really good for medicine and I watched all his videos again in eGurukul app as well. Apart from that, I felt anatomy, Ashwini sir, radiology, Rajat sir and all were very helpful. And most of the things which they taught and the way they presented the concepts was exactly the way it came in the exams. I felt like because each subject, they don't not only teach their own subject, but it integrates with the other subject, which is exactly what we needed for the exam. So this was something extra which helped me a lot when I'm ruling out my options, for example. Overall, DBMCI was like my main source of preparation. So everything which was in the notes, like the basics, whatever the basics they focused on and told us to read. Apart from that, extra stuff were given, but the basics were what helped me to get most of the right answers. I would advise everyone preparing for this exam to consider at least if because now there are no live face-to-face there were not such classes, so we took the app, but if they get a chance to get a face-to-face approach, I would definitely like them to take that because that helped a lot being in foundation batch. And the question banks and the grant tests which Bhatia gave, they were really helpful. Like the questions were of a better standard. They weren't anything outside the box like which you would never study or some rare disease or something like that, but they were very much, they would test our basics very well and integrate most of the subjects. So giving those GTs were kind of helped me gauge my preparation throughout the journey. I also took some GT packs later for the same reason. So I would like to thank all the faculty to help me get such a good rank, and I would also like to thank my parents and all my friends for such immense support because of it was a huge journey for us which lasted for a long time, and all the motivational speeches given by Rajat sir, Tamim sir in between really set our mind to a next level. They helped us come out of the slump which we would go in between because of all the postponements and everything. So I would really like to thank them for the academic as well as the non-academic support which they gave us all through the journey.